Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Wonderful to see everybody as we continue the learning of the 8th parak of the Sechtes Yevamos. We're holding with Mishna Daled and Mishna Hey. Mishna Daled and Mishna Hey. First of all, I'm delighted to share with the Olam that our grandson came home today. So in its man, in the baby's man, probably either be Sunday or Monday, and we learn here, dedicated by the Fisher family, Lila Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, and Shama should have an Aliyah. We also are dedicated to Nishmas Avram Yishai ben Shmayo Yosef, for Shalem Efel Yomis ben Chayei Sarah, and the schus of Avram ben Yom Benish ben Malchudis and family, by Yol Klugman and family, and the for Shalem Efel Victor Aye ben Rivka and Meir ben Chayei Sarah, and Ayelad ben Chava. They should have a refu Shalem b'Sech Shecher Yisrael. Baby had to be 48 hours off oxygen, and Baruch Hashem, baby today was 48 hours off oxygen, and the doctor said it could take him home as if it was nothing. So, Leah and Hara. Rabbi Yeshua said, Shamati, I heard two traditions. Shasaris, that a man who is sterile, cholates, if he's the brother that's alive, he gives chalitza, although he's sterile, to his dead brother's wife. And if he was the brother that died, the choltzin le'ishtay, and the brother gives chalitza to his wife. I heard another tradition that Basaris, another type of sterile person, loy cholates, he does not do chalitza, he's patim in a chalitza min a yibam, v'loy choltzin le'ishtay, and if this sterile person died, Shimon doesn't give chalitza to his wife. Ve'ein li lefarish, and I don't know how to explain it. Which one is the one that needs to give chalitza? Which one doesn't? Amar Rabbi Akiva. So Rabbi Akiva says, I'll explain it. Ani afarish, and the question is, it depends if the person has a shasa kosher. If he was once able lahakim la'achiv shein. So therefore, Rabbi Akiva ani afarish, Sris Adam, if he became sterile through a wound that was done by man-made, or by an animal, or by an illness, but when he was born, he was healthy and able to have children, so there, since he once was able to have children, and he once was able lahakim la'achiv shein, chaylates, then if it's Shimon, that's the one in question, he gives chalitza to his brother's wife, and if it was Ruvain who died, the choltzin le'ishtay, after the chalitza to his wife. Mipnei sha'isa lo sha'asa kosher, there was once a sha'asa kosher. Sris Chama, that means that from the moment he saw the son, from birth, he was sterile. That's the chilek that Rabbi Akiva makes. Rabbi Eliezer makes a different chilek. He says the other way around. A Sris Chama, there's a possibility of a cure. There's a possibility that maybe he would be able to have children. So Rabbi Eliezer Maloiki el Sris Chama chaylates v'choltzin le'ishtay. He would give chalitza if it's Shimon, and if it's Ruvain who died, you got to give chalitza to his wife. Mipnei sheyesh lo refuah. There was potential over there. Sris Adam, it's wounded. Lo chaylates v'lo choltzin le'ishtay. Mipnei she'ein lo refuah. That's Rabbi Eliezer's opinion. Hayed Rabbi Yeshua ben Beseira. Rabbi Yeshua ben Beseira testified, Al ben Megusas, a man by the name of Ben Megusas, Sheyabirushalayim Sris Adam. He was in Yerushalayim a Sris Adam, meaning that he was wounded afterwards, so he had a Shas HaKoshen. And when he died, the Yibmu as Ishtay, and Shimon was miyabim his wife, because since Rabbi Kiva holds that there's chalitza, there's also yibam. He was miyabim his wife because such a person had a Shas HaKosher, l'kayim divrei Rabbi Akiva, to uphold the position of Rabbi Akiva. Now, the Mishnah Hay tells us, Hasaris, now the Rav explains this like Rabbi Akiva, that a saris from birth, that never had a Shas HaKosher, loy chayleitz v'loy miyabim, so he doesn't give chalitza, he doesn't do yibam, nor do we do chalitza or yibam to his wife. V'chein islandess, and also an islandess, that means that if Reuven was married to Sarah, and Sarah was an islandess who couldn't have children, so when her husband dies childless, she's put him in a chalitza m'nayibam, l'chaletzes v'loy misyabemes. Now, Saris shechaletz l'yavimtai, if this Saris gives chalitza, since he's potter because he never had a Shas HaKosher, loy pisala. He doesn't passel, the chalitza is meaningless. He doesn't passel l'kuhuna. Ba'ala. But if Shimon is ba'alar, that's Eishes Ach Shaloi B'mkay Mitzvah. So he had a beer that's an Issacharius. So Ba'ala Psala, that passes her from Kuna. Mimnei Shi Bilas Nus, that's a bila that makes her a Zaina. V'chein islandess, likewise, if she was an islandess, Shechotza La'achin, that the brother gives Chalitza, since she was part of Chalitza in the Yibam, so that Chalitza is meaningless, like Psalua. But if they have beer with us, so that's Eishes Ach Shaloi B'mkay Mitzvah. Eishes Ach Shaloi B'mkay Mitzvah is an Issachar, so that makes her a Zaina. Psalua passes her to Kuna, Mipnei Shebilasa Bilas Nus. The beer is a bias nus. As you know, I recorded now because tonight, Wednesday night, after the daf, is a Chumashir, which we hope you'll join us for. If you don't join us here, you can join us online at zoomdaf.com at approximately 9 o'clock. Those that can wait for the Marav at 9, please do so.